making pork chops. So here is pork chop in flour, in egg, and then this, and then on the plate. Maybe I bring you on.
T-shirts too.
Yeah.
It always happens at night. The cold starts coming on.
Yeah.
Why does it do that?
I don't know. Cause
Feel weak?
fever gets when start to be higher at night than in day.
Is that the only stuffing we have?
Wait a minute, cause it went bad.
Oh. Is that the only bread crumbs we have?
I don't know. Probably.
Great.
Why?
I need some of them.
But it's here some.
.1, it's getting higher. Morning climbing up heat.
Wow.
Why are they always going up?
At morning when I was going out, they were, or he, I don't know who, going out too.
Where did they go?
I don't know.
Do you ask them?
No.
My God.
Of course not.
What do I put in it?
Whatever. Maybe plastic.
What?
You want it?
I don't know, maybe in a big one.
Also pan.
What pan?
This.
No, you're not doing it in a pan. You want to use savory herbs with chicken, or what's that other kind?
Savory herbs. I like savory herbs.
Hold on, we'll use both of them. That's my bad bastard. Yeah, we got this.
Mamy Jonasz.
We've got a bigger thing than this, though, huh? Well, let me see how much it takes. I need a little bit more.
Actually, I might.
Yeah, I think we're going to need more than this, because in fact, I know we need more. Yeah, that's what we're going to need.
Poor Jonasz.
Where do we get something bigger?
So, you want pan?
You don't got something a little bit bigger than this?
No.
Carbon napkin, please. Well, a couple.
Yeah, paper towel.
That's what I mean.
We can leave some that we don't eat today for different day, right?
Yeah, cutlets.
This is my dinner: pork chops, sauerkraut, and stuffing. Yummy! Sauerkraut from store. And it will be tea also.
Hey, you did buy milk.
Oh boy. Good. Tastes really good. Just we come back from Walmart and they had about the sponge from Walmart, like this kind, only $13. Got pockets. We have on this brand no boundary, looking like this high-rise parachute pants. It looks like this. For reference of that size XL, we have pockets there, it's cool, and yeah, you can read it later. Either you can make this way, and you have short ones, so or you can change it in a little bottom like here. Anyway, it looks like this. Not bad. Burlington Coat Factory. Burlington Coat, I think it's called for now. Wait. So we went in Burlington Coat and I've got sandals and I've got this sneakers, but it was different time ago. Like a month ago or so. Or even over a month ago. They are from Puma. They are leather. Nice. Inside it says they have kind of memory foam and the sole is a little thicker. So yeah, this kind, and today we were at Burlington Coat. I got this kind of cute sandals from Forever 21. They were only $8. So they are made from foam and they are, see, we're a little thicker. I like this design. I remember when I was a kid, this kind of sandals were popular, but thin. So. And this one, it says 8, but they fit me. And they are $9. Cheap. Only one nice one, Forever 21. So yeah, very cute for summer. You can wear them in beach because they are plastic and they are comfortable because they are thicker. So and I also got at Walmart 2 days ago sweatpants. It looks like this. It says Love and Sport. Inside they have nice fleece. They have here some Love and Sport sign. Change on the bottom. You can try them on. I've got them in size large. Size large. So they looks like this. Summer ones, and they looks like this at the bottom. Size large, and I've got the same kind but lady in medium, because these ones are nice thick material. So yeah. What else I've got lately? In Walmart I've got this hoodie, but it was some time ago. Hoodie, I mean crew neck. But that might be for winter, because now it's getting warm. Just normal crew neck. I guess that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Or I get something, or have something to say, I will record again. Bye. Finally, weather getting a little nicer because it was rain all the time, and now finally it's getting more sunny.
And the sun